Welcome back to Novas and Friends, everybody. Today we are installing ourselves a factory-style performance sway bar. The primary difference between this sway bar and a factory sway bar is that this sway bar is 1 inch in diameter versus the OEM sway bar, which is about 11/16 inches in diameter. To mount this, it should be relatively simple. There are 4 points on the car that it contacts with. 2 on the lower control arms on both sides of the car, and 2 on the frame of the car. And the only hardware that we should need is this hardware down here. And here is our hardware. Now the first things we need to install are these 2 bushings, both here and here. All you need to install this is open it up and wrap it around like that. And then do the same for the other side. And just wrap it around like that, holding the flat spot towards the top, because it is oriented, actually this is upside down. This is the right way up, because this hardware is gonna hold on to it like this. Next step is taking and putting these hoops on, just like this. And then these plates just go on top like this. And then that's actually all you can really do until we get it on the car. So let's do that. Alright, it's time for the test. Let's see if this bolt will fit through these holes without me having to drill it out. Yes. Alright, that's good. That means it'll be super easy to install the sway bar. Alright, thinking about it, it'll probably be easiest if I just drop the bolts in and then just have to line it up on the other side. Get in there. Okay. Now we hold it there. Fight. Get the hardware on. Sorry for moving you. No blocking it on. Get it on. Get it on. Okay. Next part is installing these inside of here. Alright, that side is installed. Still loose, just still loose on there, so we can shift it around a bit. And as we tighten it up, it should shift itself around. Alright, well, we'll get the other side done now. Alright, I got the sway bar pretty much all centered up. I'm just gonna shift the hardware around a bit, and I'm gonna go get it all tightened down. There we are. It's on there now. It's attached on that side. It's attached on that side. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing, and we will see you next time.